It just dawned on me that I never updated you guys on my Sephora haul products that I got during the VIB sale, which was probably a couple of months ago now. I did get some things from that sale, but I never really talked about them. Other videos kept getting in the way, so I wanted to give you my Sephora haul updates, my reviews on those products today. I have various products here, makeup, hair, skincare, and we'll talk about those. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and become part of the family, and we can get into this. So the first product I'm going to talk about is the Alterna Caviar Anti-Aging Smoothing Anti-Frizz Blowout Butter. This is not made for my particular hair type, but it works really well for my hair. So it says it's made for medium to thick hair. It probably works well for medium to thick hair. I, however, have fine hair. I just have a lot of it. I was scared to use this because I thought it would weigh my hair down. I had a sample of it that I got tons of use out of before I bought this size. I do have 2 hair videos out. I'm going to link both of those below. One talks about my favorite hair products. The other talks about my hair routine. I use this in conjunction with my other hair products, and it keeps my hair from getting as frizzy as it normally does. I live in a super humid area. I live in New Orleans. I mean, I don't even know what it's like to not have humidity in my life, and a lot of days when I walk out of my house, my hair just gets frizzy, and fine frizzy hair is not pretty frizzy hair. So this is a really good product for me. When I have my hair curly, it does keep my curls from just getting completely undefined and frizzy, and when I have my hair straight, it keeps my hair from curling up and getting just floofy, just gross looking, you know. So this says it's a lightweight melting cream to oil butter that helps provide 72 hours of humidity protection, thermal protection up to 450 degrees, and reduces blow drying time by 40% for smooth and shiny hair. I don't know about the blow drying time. I use tools that reduce my blow drying time, so I don't think this really reduces it further than what I already do, but I do think that this offers the heat protection and that this does give the humidity protection. I have always been on the hunt for a product that would actually help with frizz and not weigh my hair down, and this does that. I only need a tiny amount. I'm talking like a pea size, actually probably 2 pea sizes, and I just rub it between my hands, emulsify it, and then rub it throughout my hair, and that's what it does. It does what it's supposed to. And this is kind of a silly product to get from the sale, but I threw it in my cart because I saw them. I like the color, they make me happy, and they're these rose gold alligator jaw clips for my hair. I section my hair when I style it, when I blow dry it. I had 2 black ones that I was using, and I think this was in a pack of 8 or 10, and now I have rose gold ones and they make me happy. They weren't too expensive. I like them, they function well, and if you're someone who likes to clip your hair up, these work so much better than using anything else, in my opinion. Alligator jaw clips are a must-have for me when I style my hair. It just allows me to kind of do things one-handed and quickly. These work well. Okay, so I'm gonna go through the hair products and then do the skincare and then do the makeup. That's just the order I'm going in. So another product for me for my hair is a restock, and this is the Living Proof Amp. I've talked about this before. I've used it in a video where I've demoed it. This is a styling product that just amps up the volume in your hair. Clearly, I didn't use it today. You put it in dry hair. I usually use it when I'm doing waves or curls, and you kind of zhuzh it through your hair, and it really does give you some nice defined volume. I'll see if I can find that video where I used it on just kind of loose waves. That was when my hair was longer, and you can visibly see the difference it makes in my hair. A lot of you went out and got this product after you saw that video, and you like it as much as I do. It works well. I think this is my 3rd jar, and I will keep repurchasing this. I don't use it every day, but when I want it, you know? And I've talked about both of these quite a bit since I bought them. This is the Olaplex No. 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo and the No. 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner. This works so well. You can see how much of the shampoo I've used, and I do alternate with other shampoos just because I have other shampoos to go through, but I would use this every day and be so happy. It really does do what it says. It repairs, strengthens, and hydrates all hair types. It doesn't weigh my hair down. It leaves it shinier and healthier. I really do feel like the condition of my hair is better when I use this regularly, day in, day out. I do feel like I should probably ditch the other conditioners that I have and just use this one. This is a great conditioner. I feel like the whole Olaplex, that's hard to say. I feel like the whole Olaplex line is just unparalleled. I did restock my Donna Karan Cashmere Mist deodorant antiperspirant stick. I am one that has had bad reactions to natural deodorants. Can't use them. They give me rashes, they burn, they hurt. I've tried dozens of brands and I swear I have the same reaction every time. And I feel like drugstore deodorants, they just stop working after a while. This is my 4th stick of this. It's still going strong. I don't mind spending the money on it because it is effective. It hasn't stopped working. It does apply easily, but because it's not a soft solid, it does last forever. One stick, it just takes me forever to use up one stick. This is the Inky List Retinol. Very basic packaging. I am someone that uses retinol on a regular basis, and I wanted to try this. My skin is very sensitive. I do have rosacea, and I do feel like my skin agreed with this really well. Previously, I was using Drunk Elephant and Colleen Rothschild's retinol products, and I don't feel like I got extra benefit from this. My skin tolerated it so well, I just didn't notice any difference. So I think this is probably weaker than the other 2 products that I was using, or the same. The Drunk Elephant product is stronger, so I kind of feel like if you are jumping into the retinol game, this would be a good one to start out with. If you have sensitive skin, this is a good one because it did work well with my skin. It didn't flare up my rosacea. It didn't cause any peeling, but I am not one that is getting used to using retinol either. So I can't really say if this is, you know, a fantastic product that would give great results. It probably would if you are new to starting retinol. I'm just not. But as far as agreeing with my skin, yes, it did. This is the texture on the skin. It's kind of a serum-y lotion texture, kind of a golden shade. And, you know, it has a scent to it. You can smell it, but it's a natural scent. So it's not anything that's offensive. It didn't make my skin feel greasy or gross or anything like that. It didn't feel heavy on the skin. Overall, I think it's a nice product. The last skincare product I am going to mention, I talked about how much I love this product and how I was going to get the full size when the sale came around. I still can't believe I spent this much. I wasn't even previously using this type of product in my skincare routine a year ago. This is the Amore Pacific Vintage Single Extract Essence. Those of you who use this love it as much as I do. It has fermented green tea extract that is delivered with the antioxidant power of single extract formula and created using the patented full body extraction process to create a potent formula over 24 hours. So even when you put it on your skin, it will continue to work over 24 hours. Vintage tea leaf containing a precious green tea substance, catechin, maybe that's how you say that, provides improvement in clarity, texture, and elasticity. The first time I ever tried Amore Pacific, which included a travel size of this, was because when I was in Sephora, I think I was trying out a concealer. I was trying to get my shade or something. I just ended up talking to a bunch of the guys in there. Somehow we ended up talking about skincare. I ended up with this on the back of my hand, and I could tell a huge difference in the size of the pores of one of my hands to the other, and I was amazed, and all of them were talking about how great the line was. So I thought, you know what, I'm gonna get the sample set because this full bottle was pretty pricey. I started using this and I was just amazed at how my skin changed. My pores looked better, my skin looked more refined, it felt like glass, and ever since I've just been enamored with it. And so I'm continuing to use it. As soon as I ran out of the travel size, I got the full size, and I'm still working my way through that travel set. And next up is the cleanser. I swear, Amore Pacific is going to make me go bankrupt, but their products are really, really great. Next up is the Nude Stix Nude Beach Festival Kit. And this comes in a little pouch, which is really, really cute. It's just in a different room right now. It comes with this, what is this called? Nudies Matte All Over Bronze Color in the shade Sunkissed. And it comes with 6 of their Nude Stix products in this mirrored case, which I think is fantastic. And I love every shade in here. Great for the summer or year round. You have a lip and cheek balm, a lip and cheek pencil, and you have 3 of their magnetic luminous eye colors and 1 of their magnetic matte eye colors. And these shades are just super fantastic, very wearable. And this Nudies Matte All Over Bronze Color is such a great shade to use as blush or all over as kind of a bronzer, kind of an all-in-one shade that's so great for summer to give you that sun-kissed look. This is such a great buy to get in a kit, and a couple of you have responded to me or messaged me that you have gotten this kit since I talked about it and that you love it too. Nude Stix are fantastic, especially for summer, because once you put them on, they don't budge and they apply so easily. They're such a great product. I feel like Nude Stix markets to the younger crowd. I feel like they're missing our market. When you are over 30, 40, 50, when you're older, you want multitasking products. You want products that aren't gonna budge because you probably have some aging issues going on. You have some hooded eyelids, you're busy, you want something you can grab and go. We are the market for Nude Stix. And if you're not trying these, if you haven't looked at them, check them out. I really think that you are going to like them, especially the eye sticks and the all over face colors. They're really great. The Buxom Wanderlust Primer Infused Blush in the shade Seychelles. I really want more shades of these. This was one that they had in stock that I got, and this is a great neutral that has a little bit of kind of a nude pink to it, maybe some peach undertones too. It looks great on pretty much anybody. And there's just this luminescence to these blushes. They wear all day, very flattering. I think their shade selection is really nice. They hit it out of the park with this formula. I could not be happier with this blush. I feel like I just keep reaching for it and keep reaching for it. If you have not gotten any of these, I highly recommend it. And a great neutral is this Seychelles shade. I love the fact that there is some luminosity to it, but it doesn't appear shimmery on the face. I know that can be a huge issue if you are not, 20, 25. It doesn't make you appear older. It just looks beautiful and glowy on the skin. I don't think I've mentioned this product at all on my channel. This is the Tom Ford Eye Color Quad in Cocoa Mirage. This product is thanks to Michelle Wong. I just got sucked in. I'm not one to really get all matte eyeshadows either. I like to have a touch of shimmer or sheen on the lid. I just think it gives kind of a youthful quality to the eye and just kind of a gleam to the eye. This is great because you can use this as kind of a base and then top it with whatever shimmer sheen you want to, or you can use it and wear just all mattes. And it's got everything you need in here. You can get a whole eye look from this, and it's appropriate for any occasion. This is a great neutral eye quad to have, great quality, great to travel with. It's kind of just exactly what you need if you want a neutral, portable, beautiful, wearable palette. A product I don't have in here with me that I almost forgot about, but I can't leave it out because this is a staple for me from every Sephora sale and in between. It's the Nest Moroccan Amber candle. They do have other scents, but Moroccan Amber is a staple in our home. It has been for years, and I just purchase them throughout the year, and I just make sure to grab one during the sale. They also have the diffusers that I'll grab too sometimes, but I can't leave that out. It's in my living room, and I'll just flash it up here on the corner for you guys. I would love to know what your favorite product was from the Sephora sale this year. I know I'm a couple months late, but I still love hearing what you guys like because it gives me ideas for things to get the next time I'm in Sephora. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell if you haven't so that you're notified when I upload. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.